once again from the Auto Finesse Detailing Academy. As you can see behind us, we've drafted in some extra help. We've got members of the ADN here helping us out on this BMW 535i detail. We're going to get into it and see if we can't turn back the hands of time on this classic bit of BMW history.
My name's Liam, I'm from Urban Valets and I operate in the Liverpool and Merseyside area. My favourite Auto Finesse product has to be Spritz. Makes your job a lot quicker and amazing finish on interiors. Has to be machine polishing, but I love a good interior detail valet. A good full valet for me is the most rewarding thing.
And what's your favourite Auto Finesse car?
It's got to be the Mark II Golf.
Why is it the Mark II Golf?
Because it's fast and blows flames. Hi, my name's Justin. I'm the owner of Artisan Automotive and we are operating in Birmingham, West Midlands. For me, there's so many, but I'd say citrus power. The reason why I say citrus power is because multi-purpose, so you can use it on wheels, you can use it on body and you can use it on interior, but generally on the outside of the car, citrus power is amazing. I'd say machine polishing has great benefits because obviously you've got before and after, but I do like cleaning interiors. That's where most people spend most of the time in the car, so interiors.
What's your favourite car in the Auto Finesse Academy today?
I'd have to say the Golf.
Why is that?
Those seats, man. The seats do it for me.
Valet Nova, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know me as Ken. It's quite a few, particularly the handy pucks are so useful, all the attachments, especially the scrubby. But my favourite's probably Aqua Coat, because it just means it saves so much time instead of waxing it. It's just so much easier just to apply that, rinse it, and then dry it. It's such a time saver for me. There's a lot, because most of them are just satisfying, but machine polishing is probably my favourite. Just silly stuff like flushing arches is just like really disgusting arches, just getting all the crap out of the arches and seeing it run down the driveway is just probably one of my favourite things, definitely.
And your favourite car in the AutoFinesse Academy today?
It's definitely got to be the Project Connect, because that's a dream van for me. I mean, I don't fantasize over cars, it's definitely vans for me. So yeah, that's definitely my favourite.
My name's Howard, I'm from Car Genie and we operate in the West Midlands. Crystal glass cleaner, no streaks, smear free every time, nice and easy. Favourite part definitely has to be correcting the car, killing the swirls, making the paint pop just how it should.
And your favourite car that's in your AutoFinesse Academy today?
Favourite car, probably the Connect. That's the dream car, dream detailing van.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talk to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune. I'm flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side. I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't with your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on 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 problems.